Take a look at this 2005 GMC Sierra 1500 HD. Carfax has certified this Sierra 1500 HD as having one owner. This Sierra 1500 HD has just under 66,000 miles. This vehicle has a limited warranty. This Sierra 1500 HD boasts a 6.0-liter engine and has a 4-speed automatic transmission. Additional options for this vehicle include the SLT Preferred Equipment Group, differential, automatic locking, heavy-duty, rear, not available with RPO, nice, 4-wheel steering, rear axle, 3.73 ratio, engine, Vortex 6000 speed, 300 horsepower, 223.8 kW at 4,400 RPMs, 360 pounds FT, 486.6 Nm, at 4,000 RPMs, standard, transmission, 4-speed automatic, heavy-duty, electronically controlled with overdrive and to-with-haul mode. When Z82, trailering equipment, heavy-duty is ordered, transmission temperature gauge is included, standard, skid plate package, tires, LT 245/75R16E, on off-road, Blackwall, includes, ZHH, tire, spare LT 245/75R16E, all-season, Blackwall, trailering wiring provisions, for camper, fifth wheel and gooseneck trailer and the trailering equipment, heavy-duty. Call 888-905-2211 or email our friendly sales staff today to schedule a test drive.